Everyone, I'm here with another layout, and this is a picture of Sabrina, who showed up at a coworker's house and said that he wanted someone he knew would take really good care of her, love her. She'd be part of the family, not just an animal or a pet. And so he showed the picture to Alex. Alex came home and asked me if I got her, what would I name her? I said, I'm not getting her. I have 3 cats. I am not getting another one. Oh my God, 4 cats. You're kidding me. Now, mind you, Theo at the time was about 9 months and very kitten to a T, in mischief, always in trouble. Yeah. He kept asking me for like a week or 2. And I finally looked at him and said, you know what, if you want to get her, then get her. Well, on May 29th, 2 weeks before our closing of the house, she came home. Yeah. So, yeah. And we named her Sabrina. Well, I should say, Mateo named her Sabrina. We threw out several names and said we gotta find a name that kind of fits her personality, type of stuff. So, yeah, we stuck with Sabrina. And I'm glad we got her because she is the perfect playmate for that one right there, Theo, because he is always in trouble. Anyway, and so they are inseparable. They play, they go out on the back porch and they stay there all day. She keeps him out of mischief and he keeps her out of mischief. So it was good that we got her for his sake. Anyway, so back to Leo. So I just want to give you the backstory of the picture. So the background is basil mango cardstock, and then that multicolored looks like mixed media. That one is Kit Club's Awesome Life, called Rainbow Sherbet. And I'm just using some of the patterns behind where I use my scissors to distress, and the scissors sharp, so of course it cut and ripped up some of the areas of the paper where I then finished ripping it because I wanted to lay pattern pieces behind. And these papers were left over from the July kit. How cold it got last night. Feels chilly, but not as chilly because I kept the 61. Yep, it's not as chilly. It was like 54 or 56 yesterday morning. So it's comfortably cool. I kept the windows open last night. So this glitter cardstock is American Craft. Everything else is just was all scraps from when I did the July kit. Oh, Ben, you're gonna play. Oh, I haven't seen you play in a long time. 5 years old and still playful. He's playing with a catnip toy. You get that fish. Yeah, you get that fish. 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 He says, nah, I'm good. So Coco got me up at like 1:30, and then she got me up at 4. Right now it's 4:28. Finishing my first cup of coffee. Starting to wake up. which I couldn't sleep anyway because my elbow's been bothering me. I don't know if it's the cold weather, and then my hands, my arms go numb, and then they ache. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure. Ibuprofen don't help. Taking it doesn't help with the pain or anything. So I just kind of try to find a comfortable position to lay in where they don't ache. So I find like I do a lot of using my elbows for a lot of cleaning and weeding and whatnot. It hurts. So, but I got my chainsaw, so I'm gonna have to go and do some sawing. They have two landscape timbers, I guess, around the trees, and I'm taking those all up because they're rotting. Carpenter ants and stuff are getting in them, and so I don't want them. I would rather it just be all natural. I've got my over Thanksgiving break, I got my flower beds weeded, so I have a nice border between grass and flower bed, so front and back. Yeah, so I did that. Oh boy. Alright, so I'm going to continue to use die cuts for Hit Kit Club's Awesome Life. And I like how this one turned out. It's adorable. And then the clouds I'm going to use as my base. It gives me an area to use phrase stickers, which are from Miss Modern Stamp Market several kits ago. I was trying to use those, but not on this layout. There was already enough going on here. So now I'm going to glue everything down. I need to refill my glue bottle again. And then I need to look. I think I need some more glue, liquid glue. So he's waiting on food, but it's too early. I don't like to feed him right this second. He's the only one in here anyway, right, Patton? Everybody else went out to the beach. Yeah. Cool days like this, like in the mornings, I'll leave. As long as I can have the windows open, I leave the back door open. Thought I heard a noise. What that was. Let me see Theo. Now Theo's playing with it. What are you chewing on, Theo? That cat finds everything to chew on. Oh my gosh. In the case, have puppy. Alright, so the gold bows are maybe Home Sweet Story. I'm just going to say it. Okay, is that good? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to use this phrase, hello, whatever, because she looks like she's just like, hello, whatever, is Simple Stories Kate Nash. And then once I put that down, that is going to complete my layout. Theo likes to get his hair brushed as I'm brushing my teeth in the mornings. I'll take my hairbrush and brush him, and where was I going with that? Oh, he steps on the scale, and it registers him as 12 pounds. Like, he's a very thick cat. I mean, he's not like for 12 pounds, he's not fat. He's very muscular, thick. Anyway, so that is going to complete my layout. When I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.